One of the roles that could be filled here would be forest manager, and it'd really be food forest manager. Somebody who knows the overall picture. They know the design of what's going to go where later, so they don't put fruit trees where a building is going to get built later or a road is going to get run through, which also means we have to have an urban designer who, in a very detailed way, maps out the entire future of this place. But this person would be in charge of seed germination, plant cuttings. They would be in charge of people coming here for shorter times who wanted to work for a while and learn how to grow stuff in a food forest way. So we could have workshops and stuff. And those would be kind of long. I mean, that person would, of course, be involved with the permaculture school, which would be really permaculture plus. And I'm a permaculture teacher, so we could certify people and have a lot of really cool activities. Also gathering many species. Like I would like to spend $10,000 or $20,000 just on gathering new species here and then reproducing them. Ones that would do well in this climate, we think, or in some microclimate that we design here. This is a big job. You'd be working with the urban designer, although hopefully the design is already done, and so that's pretty straightforward. You'd be working with potentially with volunteers if I ever am willing to have them again, or more likely interns, because I don't really like the idea of anybody coming here for free anymore. That's ridiculous. You'd be working with harvesting. You'd be working with the kitchen team to provide them with food. You'd be working with people who run on the solar dehydrator. We might be using animals as part of the system, ruminants, to clear undergrowth in certain places. So it'd be a really exciting team that's core to the mission of this place, because I see the forest as more important than any individual person. We have to serve the environment rather than just ourselves for personal selfish gain. So it'd be a tricky role, and it might be for more than one person because there's so many aspects to it.